Hey party people, this is Zach from visionswell.com, products and principles for a simple serene life, and today we're looking at an awesome Kickstarter backed flashlight from a company called Tisoks. This is the Tisoks L1 rechargeable multi-source flashlight. It produces up to 2,500 lumens. It's got a 236 meter beam distance, so that gives you a lot of ability to see far in the dark. If you're camping, if you're out walking your dog, if you're alone on a dark street, you have 236 meters of a beam to light your way. If you look at its nice aluminum anodized construction, it is IPX8 waterproof rated, so it provides functioning reliably up to 2 meters underwater, which is really nice if you drop this in a puddle, if you drop this in the ocean or a lake, you have the ability to still use this and you wouldn't ruin it. It has 2 little lanyard holes at the end, and it comes with a little lanyard if you want to attach it to your wrist. I'm not the biggest lanyard guy, but it's nice to see they included this. You have a nice little pocket clip for pocket carry, or you could clip it to a hat or something like that, and the clip is reversible or you can move it around. It has impact resistant up to a 1 meter drop, so you don't have to worry about it getting ruined. It runs on a 2600 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, and it's an 18650 lithium battery, and it gives you up to 100 hours of use when it's on low mode. If it's on high mode, you'd obviously get less than that, but knowing that you have 100 hours of juice on a full charge here is really good for a survival or some kind of nighttime camping situation. It's super compact and super lightweight. It feels really good in the hand. It's a little bit longer than my hand, but it's the right length where it feels ergonomic, the grip feels great, and it's just a really nice size for a flashlight. Its main light is an HP 50.2 LED, and it has an anti-reflective coated tempered glass lens to give it some extra durability and also prevent it from glaring up too much. The little tail switch feels really nice. It's this nice little rubber button, and you can kind of half press it to get quick light there. And then if you fully press it in, you get the light to stay on. And then you have this button on the side, and if you double click it, you can switch to the LED light mode. So you have this warm white light, you hold it, you get red, you get green, you get blue, you get a UV light, and then back to the warm white. And then if you triple click it, it goes into strobe mode. So you have a lot of different lighting options to use here, whether it be the tactical mode, the strobe, the warm white, the UV, the different RGB colors. You have the quick lighting mode as well as turning it on fully. It's just a really nice, high quality, durable flashlight. Also, to demonstrate the size, I'll show you my Tom Bin Ghost Whale pouch in the small size. And if I open this guy up, you can see that this flashlight fits right inside, zips up easily, and this means you could easily fit this into all your little EDC pouches. So it's a great size flashlight for everyday carry. I really like to support new creators, so the fact that this is on Kickstarter means that you could back it and make this more of a reality. They sent me this unit for testing and reviewing, which is really nice, so it may change slightly in its final design, but this is really nice already. And they also gave me this little hard-sided leather carry case, and it comes with, as I said, the lanyard on the back, as well as this little USB-A to USB-C recharging cable that goes behind this little netting here. So you have an easy way to charge this. And then if you unscrew the back, you can take the battery out, and you can see this Tisoks battery. It's the 18650 Type-C, and it has a little USB-C recharging port right there, so it makes it really easy to recharge. And then you just screw the back on. And you're ready to light things up again. So if you want to support this flashlight and back it, check the link in my description. If you like flashlight review videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe because it helps the channel out a lot. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.